In this video, I will show you how to reset all default apps on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is come down below right here. Go ahead and right click on Start menu and make sure you click on Settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on Apps. The next thing you want to do right here is to navigate to Default Apps right here. Then you want to simply make sure you scroll down all the way down. Continue to scroll down on your PC all the way down, and then come down below where you see Reset All Default Apps. Go ahead and click on Reset right here. All changes you have made to default app will be reset. Then go ahead and simply click on OK, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.